look, it says R right there.
Alright.
This isn't really the F train. This is technically the R train. To me, I think. This is fast track. Do that please. Do your Pokemon face. Do your Pokemon fight. Now you have to do it only one. Oh, there's It's going to Kinsale though. His stupid face.
18th Avenue. This is an F train to King Highway. The next stop will be National Highway.
Why did it have to go to King's Highway, not Cody Island?
No.
So bitch.